So you're wondering what ticket to buy to our SWAT event happening here on April 22nd to 24th. We have 3 ticket level guys for you. Number 1 is a general ticket, right? Then we have a VIP ticket, and we have a special ops ticket. You may want to know what's the difference. Well, general ticket's general seating. You have a ticket, you get in, you got a seat. VIP, you get special VIP entrance, special VIP registration. You have a VIP lunch with the speakers, Marlon, myself, Coach Burt, the other speakers that are involved. You have a VIP lunch. And you also have VIP seating closer to the front. And the special ops, which we're going to sell out of, I think we now have maybe 8 of them left, is a ticket where it's the full experience, guys. Not only will you have your own private entrance with the red carpet, you're going to have your own private lounge throughout the entire event that will be stacked with food the entire time. You're going to get a VIP lunch along with the VIP members. You're going to have a special dinner at Sushi Marquee. We rented out the patio with all the top people that are going to be there, the other special op members, myself, Coach Burt, Marlon Faulkner, Cody Askins. And not only that, but we're going to have a mastermind session and a party at my beautiful home on Saturday night. So just figure out how you want to show up, right? You want to have a general seat, maybe that's all you can afford, that's great, and get here. You want to be treated with a VIP treatment? Or do you feel like you're the elite of the elite and you want to be in that top tier level with the rest of the people where you can be rubbing shoulders with the money makers and the $1 Million Roundtable members? Then get to the special ops ticket. Either way, we're excited to see you, and get your tickets now because it's going to sell out, I promise.